Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have new videos. Most Android smartphones today are simple blocks of plastic or metal, but ZTE is thinking out of the box with its new dual-screen flip phone, the Axon M. This device looks like one of Nokia's old communicators at first glance because it's just as thick and opens up the same way. There are screens on the outsides of both halves, which line up to look like one big screen when the device is open. There are a few different things you can do. Mirror the same screen on both sides, combine them into one large screen, or use them like two independent ones. While the thought of one big screen might be tempting, there's still a huge gap between them, so stretching content doesn't really work. The square shape is also pretty useless for movies, and many apps might not be able to use the space effectively. In dual monitor mode, you can multitask with different apps on each screen, and this might be what people find the most useful. The Axon M is big and unwieldy, and using it when open might be a bit of a challenge unless you have a table to rest it on. Both screens measure 5.2 inches and have Full HD resolutions. The choice of a Snapdragon 821 SoC, which is several years old, is a bit curious. You get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, plus only a single 20MP camera on the front because the insides of each half of the phone are completely blank. Dolby Atmos is also supported, along with Wi-Fi AC, dual speakers and other modern conveniences. ZTE doesn't launch a lot of phones in India, and we don't have confirmation about whether the Axon M will come here at all. If or when it does, we'll put it through all our usual review process, so stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for more. So that is the first look at the ZTE Axon M, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.